In this video, I'll show you how to install a cool little browser app called AwesomeScreenshot and use some of its features. I have an open Chrome browser, but you can use any modern browser, and the process will be identical. But we're going to click up in the little three dots up here to open the Chrome menu. We're going to scroll down to More Tools, and then Extensions. From there, we're going to go all the way across to this little hamburger menu, and we're going to open our Chrome web store and just search Awesome Screenshot, and when it comes up we'll click, and this is the one we want right here, the screen video recorder. We're going to add that to Chrome. Yes, we want to add the extension. It's going to take a second, and there we go, it's installed. So now, just for use, I'm going to close my browser. I'm going to open another one, and then this is my home page, so we're going to go back to an actual web page, and now you can see that we've got the little icon up here in our toolbar. You can move it all around. I'll put it back where it goes since it was there before. I uninstalled it for this video, and then we just click on it. Now you've got two options. On the first side is to record the screen, so you can actually set up a video recording and record directly from, which is a great tool, and I might do a video on that later. Or you can click Screenshot, which is what this video is about. Here you have a bunch of different options where you can just capture the visible part of the page, which will only capture whatever the window actually shows at the moment. You can do after a countdown, so if you need to open some tabs or anything like that. Selected area, where you actually will highlight the area that you want to capture, and then you can reset that. Or you've got the entire page, which if you've got really long pages, you need to be careful. You can upload an image and annotate it that way, or you can do your entire desktop, so whatever is visible on the screen itself. But for right now, we're just going to click this, and you can see that it gives us our option. It automatically gives us a pen tool, which we can draw. We can crop the entire thing if we want to. We can add different boxes, or I can switch it to a circle, and we can do that as well. We can add arrows or all sorts of different stuff like that. You can type in characters and then rotate them or move them however you need to. You can even blur out aspects of the screen if you need to, or of course you can highlight them, and then you can change all of your functions over here: undo, zoom in, change your colors, change your line width, that kind of stuff. There's emojis and numbers that you can add to if you pay for it and stuff like that, but that's the basic functionality, and it's all free for what we showed you. So with that, you click on the done in the top right hand corner, and then you can download the image to your computer itself. You can download it as a PDF, you can print it, or you can just copy it and then paste it straight in. So if you need to add this to your class or add it to an email to show a professor what you're doing, these are all great options. But that's basically how you use AwesomeScreenshot, and now you can be creative and be informative and have fun.